Thanks everyone that's been following me through this whole process with the Suzuki salvage. Did the top end, bottom end rebuild, and back at the house I painted the tank and the seat cowl. Did a custom, not really a patina, but a scratched up look. And I did it with a spray can and a brush. Just, trial and error. I didn't clear coat this one, so I'm hoping the gas is not going to ruin it. And if it does, that's just going to be part of that look. I'm going to be riding this around the house. I won't be revving it, just putting it around. Show you some quick images of the job that I did on the tank again. See cow. Enjoy the video, and until the next one.